Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you about the process to use a spoon for a face massage. This will be a how-to type of video, so I'll be showing you and telling you how to do it, and it will be a tutorial with easy instructions. Without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. All that you need is a spoon, okay? So basically, if you have a spoon, you can do this, you can use this method and this technique really easy. Obviously, make sure your spoon is clean, okay? That's, you want to make sure your spoon is clean. So if you use it for lunch, go ahead and wash it and dry it. So make sure it's clean and dry, okay? Make sure it's a clean and dry spoon, so you can either take it fresh out of your kitchen drawer, or if you used it for lunch, then you can go ahead and wash it and dry it, okay? So make sure it's nice and clean and dry. And as an added bonus, you can also chill the spoon by putting it in the fridge if you want to. You don't have to, but you can if you want to. It's an option, okay? So basically, there are three techniques. The first technique is pressing. So you want to use this side over here, which is the side that sort of juts out, not the scooping side, the other side, the side that juts out. And you want to get that side and press it against your face. That's the first technique over here, okay? And you can focus under the eyes over here, like that, over here. There are many areas you can focus on, but essentially you're going to use just gentle presses like that. And it's just going to feel great, to be honest with you. It's just a great feeling overall, to be honest with you. That's the first method. The second method is using that same side and doing circular motions. Now you're using gentle pressure because you don't want to sort of bring the skin around. You just want to go over the skin. So circular motions over the skin, okay? Gentle pressure, just like that. It just feels absolutely great. It feels amazing, to be honest with you. And the third method, so we already went over sort of pressing. We went over circular motions. Now we're going to do sort of like the movements like this, like lines. Almost like, imagine you're trying to drain, right? You're trying to drain, like a drainage kind of motion like this. Very simple, okay? Very simple, those lines. And generally speaking, you want to go downwards. You can do whatever, works for you, but generally speaking, you want to go downwards, okay? And as an added bonus, you can try this out too. You can use this side over here, which is the scooping side. You can use sort of the edge of it and just gently press against any spots that you want to really just sort of give them a little bit of extra love, okay? Just gently press, gently. Not look, you can see how gently I'm pressing. Very gently. Just like that, okay? Just like that. And you can use this method to make use of a spoon to give yourself a face massage. Really easy to do, and I've shown you and told you exactly how to do it in this video tutorial. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I got nothing else to say, so we're gonna roll the outro. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.